Call to me and I will answer you and will tell you great and hidden things you have not known. Ooh, that's kind of creepy. Jeremiah 33:3. Je sais écrit en français si tu parles pas anglais. I also wrote it in French if you don't understand English. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I did try my hardest to do this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Afi Elizabeth. I'm feeling kind of chill today and my hair is looking kind of ratchet. So yeah, here's me being creative. I felt very lazy, so I decided to end up, bring out my creativity side and make these, hair tie into something. Headband into a hair tie. Mama, regarde-moi. So yeah, this is how my made up hair tie ended up looking. So we're just gonna separate the hair. On va séparer les cheveux. Après aussi on va utiliser cette partie là. So with this hairspray, sis, I forgot that I used this hairspray for rice water, and I was like, oh, what's that smell? And I realized, ooh, not a lot of rice water came out of that. So yeah, we used the best we could out of that. So now I'm just gonna add my water inside on my hair because my hair dried out, and I'm gonna be using this pure gel leave-in conditioner. And mama, fais attention. I'm be using this this leave-in conditioner. Somebody on my Snapchat requested this, and it's been in my drawer for years now, for months, should I say. Actually, it's been in my drawer for almost a year now, and at the time I wasn't so into my natural hair, but I decided to give it a try because I did spend some money on it. And one thing I am going to say about this product is if you have low porosity hair like mine, I highly recommend you not to use it when your hair is wet, because the product comes out really watery, and it won't really activate. For me, it didn't activate right away. I found out that if my hair is not wet, that's when it will activate. So you want to use it with like low dimmed type of hair, Mixed girls, y'all got it really good because this product will probably activate your hair quick as possible. I have 3C 4A type of curls, so my hair, my curls are not super tight, but they're tight enough for me to see them. I don't know, but yeah, so this product was like really late on my hair, and because I have low porosity hair type, I have to like really like work the product in on my hair, or else it will sit on my hair. So the whole massaging process took me a while so that the product would activate the curls. Je dis que parce que mes cheveux c'est le maintenance, je sais pas comment on dit ça en français, mais il faut que je mette vraiment les produits dans mes cheveux pour que ça fait sortir mes curly. Si tes cheveux c'est pas comme moi, ça va faire différent, ça va et comme on en a un peu différent, parce que pas beaucoup de gens ils ont vraiment les curly dans les cheveux. Je sais que il y en a des gens qui me demandent comment je peux mettre mes cheveux comme ça, mais tes cheveux c'est pas comme moi. Je sais pas comment je peux te répondre. But yeah, so yeah, as far as the product, I will give it a 7 out of 8. I did notice that after my hair dried up, the curls really did activate. So yeah, what I'm gonna do here, I'm just gonna add oil to my hair just to lock in the moisture and stuff. But as far as the hair, the product, I would say it's very watery. So be careful with that. Do not use it with damp hair. You gotta lay the edges, sis. You can't just walk out the house like that. But everything else about this product, I would say buy it. It's not curling product. It's not like a curl activator. It's a leave-in conditioner. So if you're gonna use it with your hair, you might want to add another curling activator on top of it, because that's what I highly recommend you to do. If you're gonna use it by itself, this is what you're gonna get. But if you want your curls to really pop, if you ain't mixed, is what I'm trying to say, use a curl activator. Other than that, drink water, mind your business. I'll leave the product name down below. Check them out, and I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Girl, looking like Jerry S. Curls. Go ahead, come into America. Okay, bye guys.